Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get a referral code on Bet365. So if you want to use a referral code while creating an account, just follow along. First, open the Bet365 website or app. Next, start the account registration process by clicking on sign up. During the sign up process, look for a field called referral code, promo code, or bonus code if available. Enter the referral code you received from a friend or referral source. After that, complete the registration process and verify your account if required. Once your account is created, check the promotion or bonus section to confirm if the offer was applied. And you need to keep in mind that referral codes may only work during sign up and may not be added after the account is created. And if you don't have a referral code, check Bet365's official promotions to see if any referral offers are currently available. So that was how to get a referral code on Bet365. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.